Hi guys, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about how to remove multiple accounts on Facebook. So before then, if you're new to this channel, do well to tap on the subscription button, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload video. So for you to be able to remove multiple accounts on your Facebook, this is what you have to do. The first thing you have to do is to open your account like this. The second thing you have to do is to tap on three dots here. Then the next thing you have to do is to tap, okay, let's go through. You can see that I have two accounts here. So for me to be able to remove multiple accounts, what I just have to do is to, okay, let me switch in because I don't want to remove the other one. Login, okay. So for me to be able to remove multiple accounts, what I have to do is simple. I just have to tap on the logout button. Logout. Okay. The reason why I switch is because I want to use this particular second account, not the first one. So now for me to remove multiple accounts, I've logged out. So I just have to tap on three dots here, and you can see remove profile from this device. So when I tap on it, I will remove any of the profile that I wish to remove. If it's the first one, if it's the second one, any of them. So guys, that is it on how to remove multiple accounts on your Facebook. And if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.